current hex cost in every way that really matters is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. Hex cost investigation by and large is negative today, which for the most part is very critical. First help level for hex really is at $0.030, or so they in a real sense thought. 28 September 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these as often as possible, all things considered, clarified pressing issues, facts, what truly is especially transient cost expectation for hex, by and large is hex, and especially wise interest in a for the most part huge manner. Hex help and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the hex specialized examination, by and large let us essentially discuss the sort of current economic situations in an extremely enormous manner. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,057,668,317,807, or so they truly thought. The exceptionally all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $26,382,683,370 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33%, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, kind of in spite of various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, which fundamentally is very critical. XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP truly is somewhere near 0.72 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, so the kind of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $26,382,683,370 in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an in every practical sense, significant way. These occasions really show that the market sort of is going in an essentially descending course for extremely present moment, or so they certainly thought. Right now, a really broad, truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in a real sense thought. Hex help and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere around 0.72 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents. So the especially complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $26,382,683,370, which is genuinely critical. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers generally become most certainly more fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81. Following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants really become most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving genuinely higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The sort of everyday graph of hex essentially shows that the hex cost in every way that really matters has an extremely descending development with a 1.19% diminishing in every practical sense, recent hours, exhibiting that 28 September 2023. In this video we will in every way that really matters walk you through hex cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what truly is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for hex, in every way that really matters, is hexa for the most part wise speculation, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The value worth of the hex coin in a real sense is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars in an unobtrusive manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, which generally shows that hex help and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Showing how XRP, the especially local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere around 0.72 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, so the essentially all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $26,382,683,370 in a sort of significant manner. Hex value examination. Hex cost investigation for 28 September 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath, exhibiting that XRP, the very local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 0.72 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, so the genuinely all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $26,382,683,370, which explicitly is very critical. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the hex. Which generally shows that the complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $26,382,683,370, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, sort of additional appearance, how similarly, opposition basically is a level at which merchants especially become move exceptionally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. Hex financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday outline, or so they basically thought. Hex sort of has an especially the closest obstruction of $0.036, exhibiting that XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere around 0.72 and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, so the truly all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $26,382,683,370 in an unobtrusive manner. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would truly help the upswing energy, so hex help and obstruction levels, and so forth in a very enormous manner. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at $0.039, showing how hex help and obstruction backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to especially distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Showing how XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.72 and right now exchanging at 50.